Assam Rifles Polo Team 8 lifted the champion title of 38 in Hazari and Dr. N. Tombi State Polo Tournament organized under the aegis of Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. In the final match played today at Mapal Kangjebung, Imphal, Assam Rifles Polo Team 8 defeated Thammaiband Youth Polo Club by 10-5 to clinch the title. DMT University Vice Chancellor Professor W. Chandababu, Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association President retired IAS H. Dilip, YAS Director Dr. M. Veto, MCS, Manipur Pony Society President Professor C.H. Ranjan, and Rasmoni Hospital Managing Director Dr. R.K. Rash Bihari attended the closing ceremony as dignitaries. Trophies and cash awards were distributed to the winners and runners-up, 50,000 rupees to champion Assam Rifle Polo Team A and 40,000 rupees to Thammaiband Youth Polo Club. Other prizes were also given to outstanding players of the tournament. A total of 38 polo teams competed on a knockout basis in the tournament.